I have been a
Welcome
rich
to
man and I have been a poor man.
Double O
I
Trades.
choose rich every fucking time. When I have to face my problems, I show up in the back of a limo wearing a $2,000 suit and a $40,000 gold fucking watch. You listen to me and you listen well.
Welcome back, guys. Today it's a good day. So we're gonna be actually analyzing and checking out a movement on USA 30 for New York session. So in South African time, that's like 3:30. So the session is from 3:30 till 11 p.m. So without any further wasting time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because the grind is not gonna stop. So without any further wasting time, guys, let's get into the video. Gang. Click on the chat like we always do. So this is our home, this is our station, this is where I'm gonna be breaking down things from now. As you can see, it's 24 past right now, 6 minutes left to the session opening, which is New York session. In South African time, it's at +3. So these are some of the things that I'll teach you guys, which are more important actually. When you're taking trades, you should know the perfect time to actually look for momentum or volatility. So right now it's 4:15, guys. So I want to give you guys an update on the current. So this is what we are actually looking at right now before we take a trade. So we have this downtrend in which we see lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, and a lower high. Now we're breaking inside that lower high to form what, another trend. I'll show you what I mean with a sketch a little bit here. This is some of the things that I actually taught some people and I was taught before. So when price actually break a previous lower low, a lower high, it makes what, a high after, then it makes what, a higher low. Then now we also have another high here, and this is our previous higher high. So now we have actually broken on our previous higher high. So if you don't know these guys, these are the things that I will teach you when time goes on. These are the things that I was taught when I started with trading. So when price actually break the previous high, they then form something we call a head and shoulder. A head and shoulder is a reversal pattern that shows that price is going to the direction that it has been before. So which price is it going on here? It's going to these prices, the support. So we then encounter to have a head and shoulder only because we are breaking here. Because this is a previous high, we were supposed to be actually continuing because we are on an uptrend to do this, right? But we didn't. Now we are actually broken. Now we are looking for a retest here, then we start selling to the downwards. A retest is just a form of confirmation that shows the direction that we are going. It's actually a patient stage that you should go through. So a minute that you see that we need a retest, you should just be patient, because if you don't get to be patient on that moment, you get to actually take irrational decisions and start selling right now, or even buying, because you already know what's gonna go. But the thing is, you have to be a little bit patient before you actually take the trade by looking for a retest. So without any further ado, guys, I was thinking to go into a smaller time frame like M30 and actually look for a retest somewhere here as price come here, and put stop loss maybe at this price, then let it run. Supposed to actually wait for a candlestick, then as it reaches on this the green bar here, then that's when I'm gonna take myself. But now we still stand a possibility of this candlestick, because it haven't closing, and it's closing after an hour and 30 minutes, and it can close somewhere here. Even sometimes it can even close somewhere here. and go back, and instead now I still have to wait a lot of hours. Another thing that can also lead can close here, then another candlestick can open somewhere here and continue going up. So all these scenarios, they need me to be patient. So I'll just see you guys without any further ado. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Next clip actually. Welcome back guys. The time is let me show you guys the time. The time is, hold on, what's the time is 17:50. So as you can see guys, we actually analyzed our setup from 3 till now. We're still on the same setup. So price actually ended up going to our direction. I actually made some profits on this setup itself, but I was early to actually close. I wish I had recorded. Bear with me guys, next time I'll make sure that I record and share with you guys. But without any further wasted time, you can see that as I just said previously, that I was waiting for a retest. So we'll go around, wait, we'll go to smaller time frame and show you where I got the retest. So remember, we are all from these uptrend, right? So at that time when I was analyzing from upper 3 and past 4, we were actually on a breakout, right? We didn't have a retest. So now around, I think it was around past 4, somewhere there, that's when I entered myself somewhere here. See, that's why I have this. That's why I entered myself. Even though it came on the stop loss, I was seeing, I was looking at it, but the thing is, I was waiting for it to actually get stuck around this price so that I know that I'm in a wrong trade, and eventually it didn't. So I scaled down to 1 minute and actually took my trade there, and it was a successful sell. So without any further wasting time guys, I'm looking forward on USA30 to be selling further down. This was our first ever episode of trading New York session. So I'm out on my positions. I might actually escape in again to find a trade after a breakout of this previous low and a retest, maybe on M30. I might look forward for another trade, but for now I'm actually confident enough to see that we are selling, and yeah, I'm just happy. So the first ever episode, the first ever New York session, trading live from setup and waiting for the setup take profit. I'm the best to ever do it, and to many episodes guys. Every day, next week we're gonna be going every day trading New York session.
Stop. Right outside.